Abu Mbappe latest or
I'm not Mbappe latest, beba.
Mbappe latest or
that mount to sober hammer make a
Anna Dominic Zoboslai.
Yeah.
Latest war.
Oh, okay.
To Liverpool.
Fatim Bashasi and
Yes. Abu ma yanche tie for ne ma kwa ba pamba yeso passport se na no pay. Yenko dwama so ne yehia ni yenkomo adane dan nyina ye ne mudie. Na monya abotrama ye nyante ase so e de ama ya dwumadie no ekoso kama. Abu dia bi during timba hu ni so da ye screen yi so no. Enna report ayenye free Netherlands ne said there has been an agreement between Arsenal and Ajax for 36 million pounds sterling. Some of the befa brand away plus 4 million pounds add-ons. Agreement is in place. Abrant Teneba be sign 5+1. The ama team friend Arsenal. No about be see a kind at the amom. On holidays, it will or buy Americans betima carry out by next week. Arsenal on Villino. Nanyoma etimi akoye amanetimi akoso aba be see a kind of massa. As we started with you, said another deal no, it is coming to an end. And Fino has been agreed between Arsenal and the team friend Ayas. Abu now me be kasa about Paul Torres. Prime Minister Aston Villa. I told you, says so be movie to Aston Villa. Any papa continue be movie diako.
Yes.
Unai Emery. He has made the decision to join a team. Your friend no, Aston Villa next season. England. Na omutia less than Scar. Na want to release clause. Muse also mutimitria. Omutia 30 million pounds. Na dia for Branty. Babu dia been release clause. Na 55.4. 55.4 million pounds.
Now, I'm negotiating in the
I can't 1 year, and I'm 2 years was some club next year.
Until also more respect.
And Unai Emery has also done some for.
Oh, okay.
18 my friend Villarreal.
To consider
your money in their relationship. Top signing. This is one of the best signings Abeka Aston Villa in this season. Superb. Abu left footed centre back who has so much experience on board the national team. Also, they say all sign players now. Also, sign players at national team level. No, Abu Amubo Hono consistent and Yomakoyi at the moment. Paul Torres will be joining Aston Villa by next week. Obabe and Americans will be able to do dinner. Brantiano, Asha say, Esia Kai, and they are almost for the start of the preseason. Manchester United are completing the deal for Mason Mount. Now the problem between the two sides is Manchester United see they won't go beyond the 55 million pounds or more they have to table so. It's a more time at Chelsea now want to. The Chelsea also needed money to balance their books at some point in time, especially getting to the end of the year. It who expect to say on me prayer so much major Mason Mount now releases car off the wage book in the first place. Then they also get money into their books as profit. Because wait or a homegrown player or from the academy or man turning a day and then they buy. So if Chelsea are selling Mason Mount, it's total profit. And so they needed to do that, and they needed to make sure they say at least 60 million pounds for Manchester United. Now no more thing I say face to face. No more doing common Manchester United say 55 in a day. The be abo money say the 55 in a be mamu straight. Mo da mo 55 as guaranteed fee. Now the add-ons in the be 5 for mom. The add-ons 5 na dey mamu no. Just a Manchester United that Jim Crew ahodo Mason Mount come we. And son of Betimia or more than 5 million pounds na a day. Account 55 million guaranteed, 5 million add-ons based on performances and trophies from Air Brandt Mason Mount. So basically, I kind of Manchester United. And now there were a lot of questions now about that Mason Mount this weekend or holidays.
Oh, okay.
So next week Manchester United or no be completing or be treating pictures no any medicals no any BBA. But another question is and Mason Mount in the so far so on a day. Dia no be Manchester United. Mason Mount and Kasano be replacing Christian Eriksen in the setup. On your screen, this is how Manchester United normally set up in the 4-2-3-1.
Oh, okay.
It's Christian Eriksen, Otani Casemiro, and Christian Eriksen up further up the pitch. Then maybe a Mason Mount Babeshani or Babeshaw, maybe a Eriksen one, and also about further up the pitch. It is just a like for like replacement, which Manchester United feel say due to the age and then the level no kakrana on any. Nyoma waye wo EPL mu ko Champions League akwakoje he might sound to be a perfect quality in terms of what be replacing Christian Eriksen. Last season Eriksen was one of the star men for Manchester United in the first part of the season and sana injury ni bebem amana konchen okonchen ko ba na na se nyoma enkoye mfa momo. But the biggest problem is Manchester G to me say Eriksen said back game intensity won't be brand or break because of the age, you know. And then you want me come canon tackle said the officer will be no. Yeah, the ball fan now one echo. But in Mason Mount, ubetimi a certain player, ubetimi add a defensive intensity. And the abo man your metimi akoye the amamo. Yeah, but can be second creator. Eriksen was the second creator in the team. So after Bruno Fernandes, Eriksen and a second creator in the team. This time around, after Bruno Fernandes, Mount started on the second creator in the team. Also, no moon is attacking midfield and Omako fan the number. So second creator. Then Obe making sure so Obema the progressive passes are now branch and Ericsson yena and no be no more than the buy. Obesa so take set pieces to say na Ericsson na. But the only thing now or the beka Ericsson the ho and I say adia Ericsson in near moon is o Messi Mount how obesity are pressing counter pressing they toss you defending intensity see a defender come be fast or be track back in the energy level obetimi the abam Manchester United etime defending inti no makofa Messi Mount e de na ba say ombra number boy this actually relates to how na aya set it up with Julian Timber or the likes of Lisandro Martinez but in the midfield no na Abrantia Wojina defenders anymore Alvarez then in front of Alvarez Begos any Abrantia Fene Gravenberch it's Gravenberch role no and a person Messi Mount bad because already Bruno Fernandes is the beggars of on only team of Manchester United.
Yes.
It is and a tier for Messi Mount addition into the setup. He needs that defending intensity. He needs a half number 8, a half number 10. I'll bet him on half 10s and make sure Senor Mabetimaco. So this is how Manchester United normally formation the tie looky like. It's Obo Sean Bejina, Martinez Bejina, Varane Bejina. But normally now, because I know one bisa can move back akra. Not look sure, but new to look sure the quality on the ball.
Yes.
And then the quality so bet me they are passing ball so well. It looks so the same camp now. You have Messi Mount and Bruno Fernandes playing as the double number 10. Like Manchester City ball 3-2-4-1 then the striker will be up front. So if you have Messi Mount and Bruno Fernandes here, you expect that Messi Mount can arrive in the box as a late attacker. Someone catch they say non last man, and we know the quality of Messi Mount, especially when he's striking the ball. He's very good at it. Then you look at how also to make creative one way or the other alongside Bruno Fernandes in that particular area to make sure that Manchester beat many results. It's a deal many free Messi Mount and no, but Manchester United still has their problems in terms of wage bill. You are paying Messi Mount £250,000 a week. Abu Dhabi. I believe these are things Chelsea are doing better job in terms of wage bill. No?
Or is that man?
Because almost players now every team. It will mess out 8 years and Chelsea sell 8 years and now 150,000. It will be renew 8 years next year. And I say through 4 years, look how so I think Chelsea are doing a better job when it comes to their wage structure, and I'm budget to what Messi Mount wanted in this particular aspect. And I believe Manchester United might feel they've gotten the better deal by time and patience, and I bet you it's a deal, no, a great and a great. But this is the importance of how Messi Mount able to my team in the Manchester United. Abu Kylian Mbappe, and then there's going to be a crucial meeting between us El Khalafi, Faiza, Kylian Mbappe ni maame no act as the agent, and Mbappe na mu.
Meeting be koso.
Meeting be koso Paris ne.
Come on, for me ro mu kakra.
Abu meeting be koso Paris no. Na it is assumed say omo kwakotena say akwakodi nkom with how omo miensa ni na omo beti omo ase unu kwa Kylian Mbappe beti me free akwakopi mu Real Madrid.
Oh, okay.
And also betina because PSG catch Mbappe say nyoma mienu either you renew and I see a beton with this summer. Now Koya Kasa back and forth. But I say Khalafi has a very close relationship with Kylian Mbappe mame. Omudin Komo, they are free, why so good to the family. So there is a need for respect for Munina as somebody decided what to do. But in the last few hours, the message I say from this particular meeting, near say, Abrante Feni Mbappe ebe extended. Obe extended, and that's all extended so it's not for the number of years no. France, almost for release clause in Yajuma. You have release clause in short contract. But or extended, said there's going to be a verbal agreement from the club. Say, Omubeja to say, yeah, Tom Kylian Mbappe next summer, June 2024, the Real Madrid this price. Sanebe. To some Manchester United, Ronaldo.
Ronaldo, dear.
And Real Madrid.
Yes.
The following season, you better one Real Madrid.
One negotiate.
Because the price was verbally communicated between Madrid and Manchester United. So Paris Saint-Germain and Madrid per se, and Kylian Mbappe per se almost sadness. Then Kylian Mbappe will go and communicate it to Real Madrid and Penny for say next season move between Escasia, Ombe Jamia Marco. And yes, sir, Kylian Mbappe will be losing a lot of money.
Oh, okay.
They will be losing a lot of money. Now, Branty when Ankasa 72 million euros, about the salary is net to us now. Then obedi 60 million euros in July. No, I said 60 million euros. About transfer window no closing in September. So in totality, obeti Otiminia Sky in and around 200 million euros in a year. especially when it comes to the transfer market, loyalty bonus, and your money in the Kaboma, Sanya Chichim, 72 million euros first, no one 60 million euros in July, then transferring the only closing in September was at 60 million euros. So that is how Kylian Mbappe is 70. So I don't say, oh, yeah, Bibiana also acquire. Paris Saint-Germain will be looking for some bit matono. Then, yeah, 60 million euros now catch the Abu Dhabi. Then I Kylian Mbappe. Salary now also in 1 year, and so better at so move farm out. Then, scale also to me in July, and on my fan set 31st June, or Munu, it will call baby no so baby no so for musica. So to lose all of these particular monies, Kylian Mbappe, and then my maintenance dream will say there be we should accept the issue near say next season maybe about June 24 May free. Yeah, extending 1 year option. And I see inside by 2 years being count. Yeah, come yeah, no maintenance and communicating surprise when you ever told me. Then yeah, go catch Real Madrid say, oh the 150 bar and the 120 bar. It is sound of Mokwa discuss so meeting I say. Yes, it is sound of Mokwa discuss so meeting. Abu Andrew Onana Luther Bear stories on Bishia with Biza.
Yes.
Akwa meeting to discuss. They are 10 years in Tamland here ska. 23 million euros the crowd and no member so because SIA to assume.
And also ya to assume.
Marcelo Brozovic there now yeah I can't Tony Brown now agree pesa okonina and SIA to assume. Another issue be as a pop up. But Andrew Onana almost pay 50 million euros with add-ons inclusive. Manchester United so in your Madrid so betray as scam. And then meeting never discuss and they will come to a final price as to how much they will have to buy Onana. But some Manchester United need Inter Milan can no man Tiasia Abu. The next target of Manchester United is Emiliano Martinez. I'm going to find free Aston Villa.
Now, I'm sure Aston Villa for no Martinez.
Martinez
be the team here.
No, Crane said Martinez knew Unai Emery didn't come last season.
Oh, okay.
I'm a Unai Emery at say if a good offer should arrive, Obemanako because assume team no. And also person about Champions League. Go Emery feels like what you World Cup.
Yeah, we do know.
Any level now he has to taste at least a top level football in terms of club level. Also taste big akra. Champions League in the enjoy as a first choice goalkeeper. But a brand new friend David here contract and Ankasa be when by 12 a.m.
None of contract.
None of contract. Many sure some Manchester United will release this statement. Many sure.
Why?
I'm sure some Manchester United will wait and see what will happen with Onana.
As I'm on the statement.
As I'm on the official statement. But I'm sure David here has been able to because Anna say I approach David here. Omu din komo omuni one anasefo no but omu remain to omu na se kakra Manchester United still remains David De Gea's first choice but omu nya abotre din komo said be Onana de na amfa they can do a little bit of backdrop now no me catch us say Manchester sign kai say do I want sign goalkeeper
yes
so kai
me kai pa
but on say omu sign Mount we no
kwanya dem
so omu person sign goalkeeper so that is how the deal is actually going. It Onana at the end, if they don't have a price now, they'll go for Emi Martinez. If Emi Martinez doesn't work, David De Gea is going to stay for Manchester United. Abante we say ne Ayas any Dortmund deal no, anya collapse cry. Ajiegu. Dortmund anya na so be 40 million euros for Abante we. Teze say obe use Emre Can na.
Also obe use
Emre Can na in the defensive midfield role. And boy, when it looks like a disappointment. Last season, Ayas blocking the move to Chelsea.
Chelsea, yeah,
this time around, he was so close to joining Borussia Dortmund. And Abu, this time around, as so Amfa my brand. He's a quality defensive midfielder. Which I be to me say, oh, here another chance at Club B to say be a Dortmund English Premier League. And West Ham needed that one. So brand ways. If you are looking for anything closer to Declan Rice and Caicedo in terms of tackles, how Mama defending intensity, this guy is already there in terms of Alvarez. So me Abu, he only looks to develop in the long run. Abu Ziyech, Luko to be in the hip, Akofas and for the Aba. Say Abante we omo hwehwe mu na but omo can still deal no ye fan she trim say omo can still deal no they are only doing further tests to assess if they can actually help and omo go ahead with the move to make sure somebody me maintain the move of AZH to them. Declan Rice ne Arsenal and West Ham still na Abu Besi na no pay structure no munya agree
we na for chat to mama
Abu Besi na no pay we kra dey Besi na no pay structure still munya agree
omo agree fee
omo agree fee principle
by structure no
by structure no munya agree.
Oh okay
Structure na akwa issue ni na apart from structure there is nothing there. And Abu we structure na the told Loftus Cheek completing the move to AC Milan. They will have to sign Pulisic, but key players at AC Milan let me assign Luka Romero.
Abo omo kana sem so jana na so.
The movement in the BBI is Lionel Messi.
Yeah.
I'm not saying he's Lionel Messi. The movements out the Konkumwate. Wow, heard the World Cup under 20 BBI and you bear witness as to the quality. So if you last you kwa kopie more. But Eunice Musa na AC Milan person sign the call of Sishiko. Ana Chukwueze. It was more Spain sisi ya omudi nkomo mienu. One on Yunus Musa, 20 million euros. Valencia so mo fabra, almost so. Then Chukwueze, 20 million euros. AC Milan so monte so. It is AC Milan person money to net is kind of fall of Sichik, Luka Romero, Yunus Musa, and Chukwueze.
Wow.